Hi, I'm Ravi from Autowave. In this video, we're going to be introducing and unboxing the new device from XTool, which is the E2 Pro. It's a professional device used for full electric vehicles and plug-in hybrid vehicles. So first of all, we'll get it opened and see what comes in the box. So first of all, the device comes with a charging dock. There's a dock where you can just sit the device on the top and it will charge, saving you having to plug it in every time. So it's good for, let's say, a workshop base or a fixed location where you can always have its own home where you can sit it on and dock the device. It comes with a rugged carry case, and we'll open this up and let's see what we get inside. So we've got the function manual, the actual device itself. Here it is following the usual XTool style hardware format. It's got USB on the top, USB-C. It's got a handy little bracket there, so it's easy to stand up. It's got a camera on the back, and it's got a 10-inch touchscreen. So within the box, you get various connectors, this being one of them, USB-C to USB-C cable, and then you've got the main VCI. Now this is what will communicate wirelessly with the device and then connect into the vehicle. Obviously, most diagnostic tools come with a VCI. This is quite a fancy looking one with an LCD touchscreen on as well. Okay, so within the other side of the box, now this is where some of the more EV specific cables come into play. So if I just take these cables out of here. Okay, so first of all, we've got an EEPROM programmer. As with most good diagnostic devices, you can do component level functions. Here it's got female OBD, and this is like a jumper connector. Here we've got some bullets, they're all labeled, and we've got female OBD. Then which connects onto here, you have a whole host of connectors with different size ends and actual pins to allow you to pin out onto modules and read modules on the bench. You also have this connector. Now, again, being an advanced device, this is actually for component level, so if there is ever a need to solder onto modules directly onto the PCB, this device will support that. And all of these functions are described on the actual unit as well. So it's not a case of you just have these cables and you figure out how to use them. It has got a level of guided diagnostics on the device itself. It's got various plug adapters. Being a global device, it obviously supports UK and Europe. Now, within the XTool device, you've got the new X2 prog. Now, this new X2 prog, this is where a lot of the additional accessories will connect onto. So if you are ever doing any soldering onto a module or pinning out onto a particular module, this will act as the go-between this and then to the actual device itself. So this is like your multifunction programmer which comes with the device. You've then got various connectors. We've got our standard OBD connector. I've got a cigarette lighter 12-volt adapter there as well. But this is where we go into the actual EV specific cables. So this cable that we've got in here is for the Tesla. So it's got an Ethernet port, so it's for the Tesla Model 3Y 5P cable. So you've got various connectors. You can see here you've got a coax connector and a few other vehicle specific connectors. Some more Tesla vehicle specific connectors for like your Model X, Model S. And then you've also got in here some more connectors which can connect onto different components within the vehicle. And all of this is guided on the device itself. So with the XTool E2 Pro, this all-round device is not only good for actual diagnostics, it's got functions for BMS repair, component testing, battery pack analysis, OEM level diagnostic for Teslas specifically with specific vehicle connectors. You can quickly analyze high voltage systems. Obviously you can read and clear DTCs, it's got live data, it's a bi-directional device. It supports DOIP, supports a lot of the latest protocols used by many of the new vehicle manufacturers. As I've shown you with the connectors, you've got off-vehicle component testing for things like 48-volt motors, compressors, various DC converters. Not only does it support DOIP, it also supports CAN-FD for GM vehicles. So it's got a whole host of functions and it's specifically designed for the EV and PHEV market. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our video. If you need any more information on this particular device, contact one of our distributors or speak to us directly. All information is available at www.autowave.co.uk. Thank you.